Okay, I just want to do a quick tutorial for one of my friends real quick on how to get Call of Duty 4 for the computer for free. Um, this is a Mac version, but I'm sure you can find a Windows version. I'm sure it works the same. So, yeah, anyway, what you do is go to the internet and go to thepiratebay.org or whatever you use for torrents, and then type in Call of Duty 4 PC. Okay, so find the one with the most cedars. So it's, yeah, cedar. Okay, so this one's got it. I'm sure this one works fine. It is 6 point something gigabytes, so it's gonna take a while to download. Shut up. Anyway, it does work. There's a crack for it. I don't think this is an old crack. Yeah, this one. No, this one includes the crack. Okay, good. So install it, and then you'll get the the torrent. So obviously install the torrent, and then you'll get something that looks like this. I'm sure it'll look something like this, except yours won't be .dmg. If you're on PC, it will be .exe. So what you need to do is you need to run this, and for you this will start an installer, so you'll just install the game. But for Mac, I just drag this folder to my desktop. So once I drag that to my desktop, you'll have a folder that looks a little bit like this. It'll have Call of Duty 4, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, multiplayer, data, whatever. This will be in your program files, by the way. That's where you install it to. So once you have that, you'll have to install a crack. Oh wait, no, don't do the crack yet. Sorry. Actually, you'll have to make sure that it's 1.7. So to make sure it's 1.7, open up your Call of Duty, just a single player. Open that up and look in the, no, not the single player, sorry, the multiplayer. Open that up and look in the right hand corner, and it should say 1.7. If your Call of Duty doesn't open because it needs a serial key, there is one in the description that you can use. I'm sure it works the same. This is just a crack for it to work on Mac. So anyway, once you install the game, you need to get the 1.7 update, which that link will be in the description as well. So what you have to do is you open up the crack, and for me it looks a little something like this. It's actually called Call of Duty 4. Call of Duty 4 1.7.1 installer. Make sure it says that. Then open that up, and then click open. Alright, this will run and it'll look pretty much like this for you. This won't be here, I don't think, but it'll look pretty much like this. So continue, continue. Oh wait, also make sure it says 1.7.1 update. If it doesn't, then that's wrong. So continue, continue, agree. Okay, now it may work on Windows, but on Windows, if it doesn't automatically find these exe files like it did for me, then you have to go to Other and search them manually, which for you should be in your program files if you installed it correctly, or if that's where you installed it too. So if it's in your program files, go to here on your program files and find Call of Duty multiplayer. Do the multiplayer one first. So open, click it, and click continue. I'm not going to do this because I don't want to mess up mine already. So once that finishes, open this back up, open the install Call of Duty thing again, go to Other, and then do your single player one, and then click continue and install that. That should take a few seconds. Alright, now once that's done, you do have the updated version now. The single player one doesn't matter what version that is, but it just helps the updated anyway. So once you have the update for both of these, you'll have to install the crack, which is actually right here. Okay, so I'm assuming yours comes with the crack, so the crack should be codliveroil.exe or something along those lines. I'm not really sure what the actual name of it will be, but I'm sure it's pretty much the same. So you open this, and this will give you a folder that has the Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare crack in it. So what you'll need to do is not install, sorry, what you'll need to do is replace this one with that one. So drag that one into there. But I'm not going to do that because I already have mine in there. I don't want to mess anything up if it did. So also here's the serial key. I don't know if you'll be able to read it or not, but this will be in the description, so just look down there. It's right there. So yeah, and then once that's done, you can open the COD multiplayer. That's if it asks you for a serial key too. So, but once that's done, you can open the COD 4 multiplayer, and it should work. And you should look for the down here in the right hand corner. You should see 1.7.549. These last three digits don't matter, but the 1.7 matters. All right, now to connect to a server, the key below the escape key and above the tab key, you will need to click that. If that console up here doesn't open, then you have to go to options, game options, and enable console. So if that doesn't open. But anyway, to connect to a server, you can't just go to join game and find a server. You have to actually connect to a cracked server. So to connect to a server, you go click the little button right there and type in connect space the IP. Now, obviously you don't know any IPs unless you already know how to do this, then you're not going to know any of the IPs. So to find the IPs, you have to go to your internet and then go to Call of Duty 4 private, cracked servers. Okay, and then I like using this one, EPC Gaming, I like that. So you just scroll down, find how many players it has in it, find one you want, and then let's just say we want, here we go, let's just say we want this one. I've joined this one before, so we want that one. Open up our Call of Duty 4 multiplayer. Now once this opens up, you click that little button, you type in connect, Control V for paste, enter. It'll awaiting connection. Now if you do get an error that says codepost.gfx or something like that is different from the servers, then you'll have to reinstall because you messed up somewhere, but you should be good. If it doesn't say that and it actually starts loading the game, then I guess you're fine. So let's see, the SAS 125, yeah, it's probably really laggy for the screen recorder's laggy, but actually I can tell a little bit, but let's go down here and see what we can do. The game should work fine. Obviously the controls are going to be different for PC. If you're used to Xbox or along those lines, then it's obviously going to be different. But I'm sure you'll get used to it. So I'm going to kill somebody here. Oh, laggy. That's server lag there. Alright, let's see. Oh, okay. Well, I'm done with that. Anyway, I showed you how to play. Not how to play, but I showed you how to set it up. I showed you how to connect to a server. And if you have any questions, just feel free to ask me, message me, do whatever you need to do. For the person I'm doing this for, actually, if you really need help, dude, just talk to me. Tell me, and I can probably help you through it. But this tutorial should give you everything, just about everything you need. I know it's going to be a little different because you're on Windows, but this also, if this is on Mac, if you're on Mac, then this should just find another tutorial because I'm doing this specifically for Windows, even though I'm on a Mac computer. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, just message me.